Thomas and Martha Root were abolitionists who lived in the house I currently reside in. Thomas was our town supervisor for many years. He was using his position as town supervisor and a justice of the peace, deacon in the church, community member, to cover his activities as Underground Railroad conductor. So what they did was they had a farm wagon, they covered it with a tarp, and whatever the produce was, say corn or something, they put it on the top. They cross over at Lewiston, they would cross the border to Canada, go to St. Catharines, where they would deliver them to the Fugitive Aid Society over there, who incidentally happened to be Harriet Tubman and her brother. Thomas and Martha Root risked their own comfort and safety to help other people. He could be fined, arrested, or worse for his activities. He believed there was a higher law than man's law, and that was God's law, and that you had to answer only to that law. And that's why he did what he did. At the museum, we have many artifacts that had belonged to the Root family. We have Martha's wedding nightgown and bonnet. We have some oil lamps, which are kind of interesting. We have Thomas's natural history books, and along with many other artifacts. So come down and visit and learn about your local history. I'm Gail Rainbird, Town of Cambria historian and current owner of the Thomas and Martha Root House. It says in Thomas Root's obituary that him and a neighbor took a sleigh load of provisions every winter, every Christmas, to the fugitives in St. Catharines, which was, again, Harriet Tubman and her brother.